Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm XiaoMing. Today we are going to cook a very tasty dish, cucumber fried meat. Ingredients we need are 2 cucumbers, a small chunk of lean pork, and some minced garlic and spring onion. Now let's prepare all the ingredients. First, slice the cucumber in an angle to make it into bigger slices. Put them in a big bowl and add around 3 grams of salt. Mix well and put it aside for 20 minutes. This step is to extract some moisture from the cucumber to add a crunchy texture to it. Meanwhile, we can slice the meat into slices. Add 3 grams of light soy sauce and mix well. Then marinate it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the cucumber should look like this. Next, let's stir fry them. Add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil when the pan is hot. Then add the minced garlic and spring onion. Fry them for a while. And then add the meat. Fry the meat to like medium well, then add the cucumber. Fry them together till the cucumber turns a bit soft. Add 2 ml of light soy sauce to increase the flavor. We don't need to add salt here since the cucumber itself has been marinated. Mix well and then we are ready to serve.